Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete partition on your Windows 11. So once we open File Explorer, so we'll see this partition for this Windows like C, D and E. So if you want to remove any partition like E, so right click on this PC, click on show more options, then click on manage. Now here click on disk management. Expand it. Now E, so right click on it and delete volume. Deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. Now you have this GB to use. You can add this free GB to your C or any drive